Well, good morning, Scrap for Cash Army. We are headed, by we, I mean me, to the scrapyard. It's Tuesday, so obviously that means I'm going to the scrapyard and then going scrapping. Let's see what else we can come up with today. I hope y'all enjoyed the last video, because everything I picked up on that video is now heading to the scrapyard, because that's how we like to do it here. You see me pick it up, you see me load it, you see me take it to the scrapyard, you see me unload it, and then I get paid. Got some things to go inside once I get there that you'll see. Other than that, just got a big load of scrap. So we're gonna head to the scrapyard and make us some Cohen money. So I'll fire you up when we get there. Asshole. Well, Scrap for Cash Army, we are getting ready to make the turn to the Cohen Empire. I'm going to do something a little different here. I'm going to give you a couple different views of what goes on here. But as I said previously, I've got some stuff to go inside first. We'll do that, and then we'll dump this load of scrap, and then attempt to go find some more. Hopefully we will be successful today. I don't know, probably $120 maybe. That's what I'm thinking today. Very possible. Could be. That's what I'm shooting for. But I'm gonna stop right here and set up our other camera, so I'll show you a different type view going into the Cohen Emporium. I'll be back. As you'll notice, as you pull in, there's a bunch of rocks. Then they got a sign that says scale, drive through. Then you make the turn and notice you can only go 10 miles an hour through here. I'm right now exactly 10 miles an hour. Therefore, I don't want the scrap cops pulling me over. Passing the truck on the left because he's a Richard going slow, and I'm going to pass the big truck, and looks like there's a couple of big trucks lined up waiting to unload some stuff like that guy is. I don't know why I don't have no sides on that, but he got a pretty good load on there. So that guy weighed 37,400 pounds, by the way, in case you was wondering. We're going to go ahead and go on inside now. Once I pull all the way in to drop off my stuff, you're just going to be looking at the bay door and nothing else, so you'll have to bear with me. Well, right now you're going to be looking at this big white truck, and ain't much I can do about that. And then you'll get to see Jed. There's Jed, by the way, carrying that big motor and trying to get it up, and oh, made it. He's already got his thing, so we'll be moving on here shortly. Watch this area. Oh, here it goes. Oh, that was heavy. Looks like. Are you working by yourself?
Sosa walked away on it.
Ain't that... Oh. There comes the associate back.
There he is.
He made it back. That out. Dirty. This stuff. And this stuff. Now I gotta put it back in, so eventually it's gonna go back in.
War.
War.
Yeah,
War.
Yeah.
Clean. Unclean.
Oh yeah.
I was getting ready to throw that away,
All
buddy.
solid brass.
Look at that. I started grinding on it.
Oh yeah.
I'm going, some bitch, man, that whole thing's brass.
That's different kind
I've not run into one of them.
I never.
I got it, so I was going to take it apart and get the brass out of it. There wasn't no way to take it apart. It's all brass.
Oh yeah. That'd be nice to have in your house.
Somebody had tried to sell it for $1. Yeah.
It's worth way more than that than scrapping it, you know. And it didn't sell.
No. They threw
crazy.
that in their dump, threw that in their Herbie Kirby outside. I saw that and I went, man, what the
What's
hell?
wrong with
Yeah, dude.
Yep.
Extrusion. And that's all I got.
That's enough, man.
Be enough for me. I guess still gotta get rid of all that crap. And then go get some more crap. And then bring it back.
Yeah. Your wife out scrapping?
She's working, buddy.
Oh yeah.
She is at the house working on her computer. Living the big life.
Yeah.
See you, brother. Thank you, boss. Well. Let's move on. That laugh kills me. That laugh absolutely kills me. Okay. We are pulling through the drive-through now. Now you're getting to see the inner workings. The dirty underbelly of the scrapyard. It's a lot. There's that one guy. He got a load there, man. He fired up. Well, as you can tell, there's 3 or 4 lined up here for weighing purposes. I'm gonna have to make a turn, wide turn, get in line. And this is the exciting, this is the not so exciting part. You have to sit and just wait. You know that old adage, you gotta hurry up and wait. Well, I'm hurrying up and waiting. While I'm sitting here, we had 22 pounds of number 2 wire, had 5 pounds of yellow brass, 2 pounds of mixed brass, 7 pounds of the mixed boards, and 2 pounds of the extrusion. That's a good start. And then whatever this load weighs out at, get rid of it, and I'm having a little trailer NB right now. That's a dump trailer. You could put a lot of stuff in there, but man, that's going to be a sumbitch to get in and out of cul-de-sacs. If you had that, maybe hook it up to a truck that you're just used just for that, park it in the driveway, open the gates up, and then go out scrapping, back up to it, unload in it to when you get that thing all filled up, then take her to the dump yard. And the one I would want, I'd like that setup, but I want taller sides. I want bigger walls. Know what I mean? Know what I mean, Vern? You know what? I think we can end it right here. I don't know that I've got a place to put this thing now, though, to be honest with you. I'll be back when there's something to be back for. Oh, wait a minute. Might be right now. I think he's leaving. He's leaving. $59, $58.80. This truck's about $48.40, so we're almost 1,000 pounds. I'll be back. I think I can unload right there, actually. Thank you, boss. Appreciate you.
Put up back in as close as you can next to that blue truck.
Gotcha. Too fucking close to him. Lord God, this is a mess back here, man. Yep, that's really as far as I want to go. That wasn't even on. there, I guess. He had turned the wrong way the whole time. That's good. Okay. I'm waiting. I don't think Crystal's working today because it's awful long time just to get weighed out. I wanted to be out of here by now. I don't know what the holdup is. Still waiting. Been here a pretty long time now. Do you have any bathroom scales you could bring out? Maybe we can just do it on our own? Damn. Alright, this is kind of ridiculous. Keeping track of time. I mean, what the hell, man? Is it a crime scene in there? This is how it's going to be. I'm going to need him to install some fuel pumps right here. Jesus Christ. Well, finally. Jesus. Well, what did we get? The mixed boards. Those TV boards and PC boards. 7 pounds at $1.25 a pound, paid $8.75. The mixed brass, I had 2 pounds of that. And that mixed brass is $1 a pound, that's $2. That faucet that I almost threw away turned out to be complete brass. And they had a $1 yard sale sticker on it they were trying to sell. It was 5 pounds for $1.55 a pound, paid $7.75. That I had 2 pounds that extruded aluminum, paid 96 cents. We had 940 pounds of unclean sheet at 180 a net ton for $84.60, and 22 pounds of number 2 insulated wire for 70 cents a pound for $15.40, for a grand total of $119.46. So I think I said about 120, so I was only a little over 50 cents off, I guess, something like that. So let's we need to go and fill the truck, but before we do that, message from our sponsor. Our sponsors are by Lay's Chili Lemon potato chips. delicious, nutritious, satisfying, and good. It might have been Campbell's, but I'll steal it. So if you haven't tried them, I highly suggest trying them. And Lay's, if you're listening, nothing says scrapping like a bag of chips in the truck. Think about that. Chili lime and Lay's for the discriminating scrapper. Have yourself a wonderful afternoon, folks. I'm off to the next scrap pile to find some more scrap, and I'll clue you in when I get there. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm so close to that 2,000 mark. I'm not far away. I will get there soon. With your help and your guidance and your assistance, I will get there. Thank you all again for watching. Thanks for the views. I sorely appreciate them. And when you can, do like I do. Shop smart. Shop dumpster smart, because you never know what you're going to find. See you soon. I take back what I said about people dying. In the grass over there pumping that guy's chest. This is a bad wreck. This is a hugely bad wreck. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Jesus Christ, man. Somebody. Sorry for what I said. They had white sheets around the Infinities. You know, what the hell? It's a tractor trailer in the woods. Oh, and he dropped his load there. Oh, they're unloading the load. They're trying to get the tractor trailer out. Holy shit. Well, that'll do it. Well, on today's episode of This Is How You Don't Drive on 75, asshole.